Hi everyone, and welcome back to the PureSilverJoy Workshop channel. You're now watching Silver Clay 102, the next exciting step in your silver clay journey. In our last episode, we introduced what fine silver clay is and just how fun and rewarding it can be to work with. Today, we're diving into the essential tools you'll need to get started. But don't worry, you don't need to go out and buy everything at once. We'll go through the basics that really help bring your creative ideas to life. First, you'll want a silicone mat. This is your main workspace. It keeps the silver clay from sticking to the table and makes cleanup much easier. Just make sure the mat is smooth. Any texture might leave marks on your clay. Second, we have the U-shaped acrylic pressing board. This tool is great for preparing silver clay before you begin. It helps you roll the clay into a smooth ball, press it evenly, and remove any air bubbles. Third, the rolling pin and slats. These work together to help you roll the clay to an even thickness. That's important because it helps ensure a smooth firing process and reduces the risk of cracks. Fourth, a craft knife. This is great for trimming dried clay, cutting out shapes, or refining details. Just be gentle if the clay is still moist, it can be quite fragile. Fifth, the water brush. It's used for attaching clay pieces together, rehydrating dry spots, and applying silver clay paste. Just a little water is enough to create a sticky bond. Sixth, you might want some crafting pens or detail tools. These are perfect for shaping, engraving, and adding textures. But don't worry if you don't have fancy tools, even a toothpick or the back of a spoon can do the trick. Seventh, a good pair of tweezers. These are super helpful for handling small pieces, especially when you're assembling your design or during firing. Look for tweezers with fine tips for better control. Eighth, files and sandpaper. Once your piece is dry, these tools can help you smooth the surface and refine the shape. Remember to be patient, semi-dry clay can be fragile. They can also be used for further polishing after firing. Ninth, a wire brush. After firing, you'll use this to gently remove the white layer that forms on the surface and reveal the silver underneath. Try brushing in one direction for a more even finish. And 10th, the final polish comes from an agate burnisher. This tool gives your silver that gorgeous mirror shine. Be sure to use gentle but firm pressure, especially around the edges, to bring out the best results. Before we wrap up, here's a quick note for beginners. You don't need a lot of professional tools or techniques like traditional metalworking. Just a few basic tools are enough to get started. And don't worry too much about making your pieces perfect. Your first few creations are all about learning, and that's part of the fun. Thanks for watching Silver Clay 102 with PureSilverJoy. In our next episode, we'll show you how to shape and assemble your silver clay, with lots of helpful tips to make your pieces really shine. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss what's next. And we'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try, or if there's one you're curious about. See you next time, and happy crafting!